We've all been through tough times, looking at the bank account with worry and feeling the weight of bills and unforeseen expenses. In situations like this, it can seem impossible to get ahead, especially when the balance in your account is low or even zero. But don't worry, we are here to help you. In this video, we will explore strategies and opportunities that will allow you to earn some extra money without requiring an initial investment. Whether you need to cover medical expenses, pay for college tuition, or just want to save for a vacation, there are different ways to generate income from scratch. Throughout the video, we will share practical and accessible ideas that anyone can put into action. From leveraging your skills and talents to utilizing free resources available online, you'll find that starting from scratch is not a barrier, but rather an opportunity to be creative and proactive. So, if you're ready to improve your financial situation and learn how to make money from scratch, this video is for you. Upon completion, you will have tools and strategies to generate income immediately. Number 1. Start selling things you don't use. When you are penniless and need money urgently, you must act fast to get income. You cannot afford to spend a lot of money looking for a second source of income. One of the best ways to make extra money when you're in this situation is to start selling things you no longer use. Think about clothing, electronics, decor items, furniture, tools, and other objects. All of these can be sold, and the best thing is that you can do it without even leaving your house thanks to new technologies. For example, online platforms such as eBay, Amazon, Mercado Libre in Latin America, or Wallapop in Spain are perfect for selling everything from clothing to more expensive objects. Even things you think no one would want, like an old bookshelf or an old-fashioned lamp, can be useful to someone else. You simply need to create an account, list your item with a clear description and photos, and wait for someone to show interest. If you prefer something more local, Facebook groups or the marketplace are a great option as you can find nearby buyers and avoid shipping costs. Electronic products are also in high demand. If you have an old phone, a video game console that you no longer use, or an old tablet, there are many people who would be willing to buy them. Remember, you don't need to spend money to start selling these things. You just need a little time to review what you have, take photos of the items, and post them on the right platforms. With a little effort, you can turn those forgotten items into cash, helping you improve your financial situation immediately. Number 2. Offer help and services to other people. Have you ever thought that you could earn money by helping other people with tasks that save them time and energy? You just need to identify what you are good at and what you can help others with. For example, if you're good with tools, you could offer to fix small things in your neighbors' houses, like a leaky faucet or a door that doesn't close very well. Also, if you are strong and like exercise, you could help someone move over the weekend, carrying boxes and furniture. This may sound like a small task, but if you think long-term, it can be a great opportunity. Additionally, you will create a network of people who will know you for your ability and willingness to help. Do you like children and are you patient? You could babysit your neighbor's kids after school. Many families need someone to take care of them while they get home from work, and you could earn some money for it. Or if you live near seniors, you could offer to help them with yard maintenance, such as mowing the grass, watering the plants, or cleaning the yard. You can also think about everyday tasks that people always need to do but don't always have the time or inclination to do themselves, such as going to the grocery store, walking dogs, washing cars, or helping with cleaning the house. The most important thing is to focus on helping others. As you start offering your services, you will come across people who will be willing to pay you for your help. You can start by talking to your friends, family, and neighbors to let them know that you are available for these tasks. But it's not just about doing household chores. If you have specific skills, such as writing or editing, you could offer these services independently. You could help a friend write text for their website or a family member edit their resume. These first jobs may not pay you much, but they are important because they help you build a client base. The more people know your work, the easier it will be to get new projects. Plus, these first clients can recommend you to other people, which will bring you more work in the future. Don't waste time waiting for opportunities to come by themselves. If you need money, you must be proactive and look for good opportunities. As you build your reputation and get more clients, you can increase your rates. The important thing is to start and show what you can do. Over time, your efforts will help you earn enough money to cover your expenses and improve your financial situation. So, if you're looking for a way to earn extra money and you have skills that can be useful or helpful to others, Consider this alternative and don't be embarrassed about it. Not only will you make money, but you will also have the satisfaction of having helped someone along the way. Number 3. Become a tutor. Are you good at any school subject? You don't have to be a genius, but if you're good at a subject, you could take advantage of it to make money. Giving private classes can be a very profitable way to earn income, and the only thing you need to invest is your time. The great thing about private classes is that if you do a good job with your first students, people will start to speak well of you, and you will get more clients through recommendations. So, if you are good at explaining math, English, science, or any other subject, consider it. An effective way to maximize your earnings is to teach classes in small groups of between 3 and 5 students. This way, you can earn more money per hour, and students also benefit because they can learn from their classmates' questions and mistakes. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get those first students? Well, the way you promote your service is very important at this point. Talk to professors and teachers to recommend students who need extra help. Spend time in libraries and offer your help to students by leaving flyers on bulletin boards. Use social networks like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to advertise your private classes and ask friends and family to share your post. Join online parent and student groups where you can advertise and offer your tutoring services. Remember, the trick is to promote yourself well. You don't need to be a marketing professional, just make sure people know you're available and what subjects you can teach. Not only is tutoring a great way to earn money, but you can also help others improve their grades and progress in their studies. If you do a good job, your students and their parents will recommend you, and your business will grow without much additional effort or investment of money. Before continuing with today's video, if you find this content useful, I invite you to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new content. Let's continue. Number 4. Create content on the internet. Today, we all have a smartphone and internet access, giving us the power to create content and make money from anywhere, whether it's your home, a library, or anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Why not record an interesting video or share your perspective on something you are passionate about or intrigued by? Although at first it may seem like no one cares what you have to say, there will always be someone interested. YouTube It is an excellent platform to start with since you can earn money here through various means. For example, YouTube pays you for the ads that people see on your videos, meaning the more views you get, the more money you will earn. You can also enable the membership option so that your followers support you monthly in exchange for exclusive benefits. During live broadcasts, viewers can send super chats, which are featured messages that they pay to be shown live to earn money. But this is not all. Some companies can also sponsor you to promote their products or services in your videos. So if you are making informative content about cryptocurrencies, an exchange or broker is probably interested in paying you to mention or recommend it in your video. Another alternative to making money by creating content is to open a blog. For example, you can place ads on your blog through platforms such as Google AdSense. Every time someone clicks on these ads, you will earn money. Additionally, you can promote products from other companies on your blog and earn a commission for each sale made through your link. This is what is called affiliate marketing. You could also sell your own products or services directly from your blog, such as ebooks or online courses. Keep in mind that it is important to publish quality content and build a loyal audience that regularly visits your blog. If you prefer the audio format, you can choose to create a podcast. It's like your own radio show that people can listen to whenever they want. Like YouTube, you can also earn money through company sponsorships. You can also offer premium subscriptions where listeners pay a monthly fee for exclusive or ad-free content. Additionally, the public can donate money through platforms like Patreon to support your work. Don't expect to make a lot of money overnight, but with the right time and effort, content creation can become a significant source of income. The key is to get started, be consistent, and continually improve the quality of your content to attract more viewers and income opportunities. Number 5. You can rent your house or your car. If you have a weekend house or even a spare room in your main house, you can rent it out temporarily on sites like Airbnb. This platform allows you to connect with people from all over the world who are looking for temporary accommodation. You decide how much to charge per night, set rules about who can stay, and manage reservations based on your schedule. So, if you own an uninhabited property, an apartment you rarely use, or even have spare rooms in your house, you could generate additional income by renting it out to travelers during weekends or holiday periods. Many people have turned this practice into a stable source of passive income simply by providing a clean and attractive space for visitors. Another similar way to make money is by renting your car. That's right, if you own a car that you don't use frequently, renting it can be a great way to earn extra money without needing to invest capital. You can rent your car through peer-to-peer car rental platforms like Turo or GetAround, where users can rent cars directly from individual owners. You just have to register on the platform or site you choose and make sure your car is in good condition and meets safety and maintenance requirements. Leasing your car allows you to earn extra money in a quiet way, without having to drive it every day or be actively involved in daily service. Renting your home or car not only provides you with additional income, but it also takes advantage of resources you already have. That is, you do not need to make a significant investment or acquire new assets to get started. It's just about taking advantage of the collaborative economy and digital platforms to turn your unused assets into real profits. With these practical tips, you have discovered real ways to generate income from scratch and without needing to invest a single cent. From selling things you no longer need to offering services you can do with what you already know how to do, such as tutoring or creating online content, you have options at your fingertips. Remember, no matter which of these ideas you choose, the important thing is to get started and stay focused on your financial goals. Are you planning to do any of these ideas to get some extra money? Do you know any extra that we haven't mentioned here? Leave us your answer in the comments. Anyway, that was all for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next content. See you next time.